Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to express my personal views and analysis on Adani Group of stocks based on the recent news flowing through media. Recently, Pankaj Chaudhary, who is the Minister of State for Finance, made a statement that SEBI is probing on six Adani Group of companies. We are also probing six Adani Group of companies. Will this be a setback for Adani Group of some companies? We will have to look into this matter seriously and sportively. So before going to in detail about this Adani, what to call Adani crisis, let us say few points about our Superfans trading tips platforms. We have two kinds of Superfans trading tips platforms operated through WhatsApp. The one is Superfans option, in which we give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. Stocks, equity stocks with the price range of 5 paise to 20 rupees. Such a kind of unfamiliar potential connect with the emerging technology stocks will be recommended for long-term wealth making for you and your family. This is one. And second one is we give penny option stocks in stock option trading with the entry and target in live market through WhatsApp. So this is nothing but there's option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise, less than 1 rupee. Such a kind of trading calls will be given with entry and target in live market. And third one is whenever momentum arises in the market or whenever momentum arises in a particular sector or a particular stock, is it possible to trade with the stock option with the low budget? Low budget means say a sum of 500 rupees, 1000 rupees up to 2500 rupees to take one lot of option. Such a kind of trading tips with the entry and target will also be given in live market. So to avail these three kinds of trading tips, the subscription is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription either by GPay or PhonePe or Paytm or Amazon Pay to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So this is about Superfans options. And another one is Superfans equity. Suppose there may be some people who are having enough working capital, say about above 50k and above, but they don't want to take a risk at all. For them, we give two kinds of calls in equity. One is highly speculative, highly fast moving scripts will be given on positional basis with entry and target in live market. This is one. And second one is purely investment based calls. Investment based calls means they can part of their money in certain scripts and they can hold it for few days or few weeks, rarely for few months. Such kind of investment calls will also be given. Along with this, there are some penny stocks in equity also be given. So to avail these two kinds of equity calls, the subscription is 7,999 per month. The same way you can remit the subscription and join the Superfans equity. So it's better you can join Superfans options and Superfans equity together so that you can make the chance of earning consistently and chance of growing your corpus to a higher level. This is my positive opinion. Now let us go into the Adani crisis. Are the six companies like the Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports and Chess, Adani Power, Adani Green Energy, Adani Total Gas and Adani Transmissions are in crisis? Maybe. And the news is from the media stating that already the three kinds of investment houses from foreign people like Albula Investment Fund and Cresta Fund and APMS funds were frozen by SEBI, frozen by SEBI. But whereas the NSDL at the time the NSDL told that these three companies accounts were not frozen by NSDL. SEBI says that the accounts are freezed. These three accounts are freezed, but NSDL says that the accounts are not freezed. So here there is a contradictory. And another one is while spelled out by Pankaj Chaudhary, the minister, he said that along with the SEBI, DRI is also investigating, probing this matter. DRI is nothing but the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. He is also probing this matter, but he made another wonderful a statement that the enforcement directorate is not probing this matter. See, SEBI said that accounts were frozen. NSD said that accounts were not frozen, and the minister says that SEBI is investigating into the matter. DRI is also investigating this matter, but enforcement is not investigating, probing. Enforcement is not probing. So this contradictory situation is a beautiful way to escape the culprit if there any. Right, we are not going into the other part of corporate affairs, but as an investor, as a trader, we are only looking about the prices of these six stocks. Suppose if you are having position in these six stocks, it is better, based on this news, if these stocks are starting to fall, sell it immediately and park your money in Nifty Bees. Then when these stocks bounce back again, rebuy and reap out the profit when these stocks go to next higher level. So I believe that these six stocks will come down drastically, and these six stocks will come up very easily and very fast. So Adani group of stocks is an opportunity for an investor as well as a trader. So this is about Adani crisis. I request you to subscribe to Bull Street Superfans and Bull Street Superfans option. I'm sorry, Bull Street Superfan options and Bull Street Superfans equity. Suppose if you are very much particular about double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, and jackpot trading tips, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. So it is a blog site magazine in which we give such a fabulous calls. In this July month contract, we completed 12 successful trading calls. So this Bull Street Casino is not at all suitable for retail and small investors. This Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is exclusively for HNI investor and big traders like you. So thank you very much. I'm Vijay.